You must change this phone.
How possible it is?
I don't know how you want to do it. I need my phone back. You must replace that phone. You must change that phone. You think I know this? You must change that.
My brother, calm down. Leave him. What happened? What's the matter?
Is it not this guy here? Is it not this criminal? This guy standing here.
Yes.
He sold the phone without network for me.
Hey! Jesus! Can you imagine?
People can be wicked though.
Very wicked. Very wicked. Can I see the phone?
I will show you the phone. This is the phone.
Jesus Christ.
Very wicked woman.
You are wicked.
Very heartless.
You are wicked.
Very
And you will not go unpunished.
I saw the phone without a network.
Yes,
and you paid me.
See, but today you say this one. You must change it.
You will change this phone.
You will change this phone.
Oga, I said before I must change the phone. You must test them. You go test them.
I will test it.
Yes.
You are criminal.
Yes.
Wait.
Nonsense.
Yes.
Wait. What's that phone? Hold it.
Oh, Mumu not
Let
too
me dial my
much.
number.
Rubbish.
Let me dial my number.
You be Mumu.
Hold this phone.
You think say you dey wise?
Hey.
You are a Mumu
You
man.
very evil. You see? They have catch you.
You see, people can be very wicked though.
That's the number.
Yes, it's ringing. It's ringing.
See, I'll go to the junction there. If I call you, then let's check about the signal. You will not go. This time we will do it. Let me go to that
People
junction.
can be wicked. Just like
Let me go to that junction.
I'm waiting.
Buy phone in a better place.
You will not go.
Buy phone in a better place. You will not buy. Now you have you don't buy rubbish.
You think say you dey
Rubbish.
wise? You are a Mumu man.
Jesus.
You were not informed too.
Jesus, my iPhone.
You only you work at home.
You be Mumu. You think say you dey wise? You are a Mumu man.
Make I call them. Oh. Hello?
The number you dialed is switched off. Please try again later.